guys, we're here to harvest our lychee. Look at this. We're so excited. It's our first time getting fruit from this tree without the squirrels attacking it. So we're gonna do a taste test shortly. So check this out. This is the Mauritius lychee, and they are juicy. But let's get one. Maybe I should get these. Okay. Just a little bit. These are pretty good. They're nice and juicy. I like to squeeze them to make sure they're nice and juicy.
Yep. Yes, I want to eat.
So they were hanging on the ground, so we actually had to put these here to protect them.
Let's cut the branch up. Cut the branch up more.
I'm getting these.
I didn't set the pick, that's why I was saying that one. But come. Yeah.
And this is another type of lychee that we have here as well.
This is a sweetheart.
This is the sweetheart.
Sweetheart, yeah.
The sweetheart lychee. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this one, and we can compare the difference.
Let's cut the branch off. Yeah.
Oh, I just got these two. Hey everyone, I'm Kay,
And I'm Linville.
and we're the Island Gardeners. Welcome to another one of our taste testing. No.
So, as you saw earlier, we harvested some fruits. These are the Mauritius lychee fruit. They're reasonably sized.
Like, check this one out. Now, if you're from Jamaica, of course, you know we're from the island of Jamaica, here in Central Florida, and this is Zone 9, right?
Yeah.
And we've been trying to grow lychee for how long?
We're trying. We have been growing the plants for now probably about 4 years. We haven't really had a big harvest before. So the plants do take some time to mature.
Did you grow it from seed?
No. We had these as earlier plants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, in Jamaica, I know them as Chinese guinea. Did you know them as the
Yes,
same thing?
yes.
Now, of course, lychee is definitely different from guinea, but this one, it's similar.
Yeah.
And so we call
They're
it
in the
Chinese
same family.
guinea. Yeah. So we're going to test,
And they're in the same family as longan and rambutan.
we're going to test this out now.
Yeah.
Now, we know we have two different types of lychee. So we picked this one. This is
These are the sweetheart.
Oh, let's try that first.
And there is a very clear difference between the sweetheart and the Mauritius.
So it has a hard shell. It's like very,
Yeah.
what do you call this?
Like snake skin.
Yeah, and so I think it's to protect the, the fruit inside.
Yeah.
And so it's pretty hard. So to eat it, pretty simple. You pick this one, and then you want to.
So one thing with lychee, they don't produce fruit every year. So this one, the sweetheart, it gives a very large crop once every 4 years. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and in between, it will give small
crop.
harvest. Yeah, or no harvest. Yeah. So yeah.
So are we ready for a big harvest? Is that coming soon?
Yeah, I'm this is a very small harvest, of course. So I guess probably one of the next ones will be a big one.
Wait.
Yeah.
All right, so this is how it
So
looks.
you can-
Yeah.
yeah, like a gelatin type.
I'll give a close up off the back of it.
So want it to bite in. So you can see right there.
Now the seed is pretty small on this one. How does it
Correct.
taste?
It tastes very it's fruity.
It's a fruit.
It has a very floral, not fruit, sorry. A very floral taste to it.
Yeah,
And it's very juicy.
very juicy. It's hard to tell what it tastes like. If you know Guinea, then it's close, but not quite.
Yeah.
But I
Guinea
don't,
is more of a, just a, you know, where you suck it off, kind of.
yeah, but this
But
is
this-
pretty juicy.
Yeah. And it's very meaty. Yeah, it's something that you have to actually bite into. And, yeah. But very refreshing because of the amount of liquid content.
Yeah, and you can make juice with these as well.
Yes, you can see the seeds in these.
Smaller.
They're very small. Alright, so we want to go to the Mauritius lychee. And these are not 100%.
I think I'm
Okay. And you can see these fruit are bigger this year, but the sweetheart they can get about the same size as well.
Now, I have tasted
Oh.
lychee before. Ooh, you see much water coming
Yeah.
out of that?
And that's
It's
what
super
the juice.
juicy. Oh, and I was never a big fan of it because we didn't have a lot of lychee in Jamaica. But since I've been here, I've been really enjoying lychee. And you know, of course, you can do juice. I saw someone make ice cream from
Yeah.
this. It's really good.
So you can see.
Pretty juicy as well.
Just to show you the difference with seed. You can see that there.
You have to suck the seed off.
There's a very clear difference between the Mauritius and the lychee and the sweetheart.
The Mauritius.
Yeah, Mauritius and sweetheart.
No, which one tastes better to you?
Mm,
I'm gonna go with the
sweetheart.
sweetheart.
Okay.
Definitely more
Floral.
floral, definitely flavorful, and it does have a small seed in there, so you get
Yeah,
more
you get
meat.
more. Yeah, you get more to eat.
Yeah, and so the meat is almost like a coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like not like a soft type, like a jelly.
Yeah, jelly coconut. Yes, that's the look you have, jelly coconut, and it's very
Look.
refreshing, very refreshing as well. Now, can you grow it from the seed? So if you do have the seed, like if you went to the store and you bought it, you can grow it from the seed, but it takes a little bit longer,
Yeah, it takes can take up to 15 years to produce fruit.
15 years.
Yeah. So it's recommended to get like a propagated plant that's coming from a fruiting tree. So we have 3 different lychees here. We have the sweetheart, the Mauritius, and the Brewster. And
The Brewster didn't.
Brewster. No, it's a much smaller.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that has not grown yet.
No, hasn't produced yet.
Just that.
Yeah. So, but the sweetheart and the Mauritius, they're pretty sizable trees. I'd say probably the Mauritius is about 12 feet tall, and the sweetheart is probably about 8-10 feet tall, and they're about the same width. They get very wide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm glad we don't have to compete with the squirrels this year.
Yeah. Probably they didn't see us eating.
I know, but again, this is something that you can get at probably an Asian market. You can, if you are like in Central Florida or here in Palm Bay, you can get it at Thrifty store sometimes, or if you're super nice, then you can stop by and ask if you can have you taste one of ours. So again, this is our lychee from our lychee tree. Just wanted to share that with you. And so if you have any questions, or if you had lychee before, tell us what you think. Put that in the comments. Let us know what you think about lychee. Is it one of your favorite fruits? it's fast becoming one of mine. It is so refreshing. So once again, thank you for joining us as we taste another delicious fruit from our garden.
And please like, share, and subscribe. And
As always, stay healthy,
and
eat fresh.
all right, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.